Hey everyone, welcome back to English Vibe, the channel where we learn real English through real stories. I'm Ziad, and I'm so glad you're here today. Before we start, I want to ask you something, and this is important, so listen carefully. Here's today's question. What drink does Ken order at the cafe? It sounds simple, right? But I want you to really listen for it as the story unfolds. When you find the answer, drop it in the comments, and write your answer in English. Even one word is great practice. All right, let me set the scene for you. Imagine it's a Saturday morning. The city is quiet. Two friends, Ken and Ellie, are walking toward their favorite cafe. Ken has been studying English for a while now, but today is the day he finally tries to order in English, by himself, for the first time. Can he do it? Let's find out. This is the story of Ken's first English order. Let's go. Ellie, wait. I'm a little nervous.
Why? What's wrong?
I want to order coffee today, but in English. I've never done that before.
Oh, don't worry at all. English at cafes is very simple. You only need a few short phrases. That's it.
A few short phrases, really? But I don't know what to say to the barista.
Most people say the same things every time. It's almost like a script. When the barista asks for your order, you just say, "I'd like a coffee, please."
I'd like a coffee, please. That does sound easy.
After that, the barista will ask you two simple questions. The size, small, medium, or large. And for here or to go.
For here or to go. What does that mean exactly?
For here means you sit inside and drink your coffee. To go means you take it with you and leave.
Oh, so for here is like eating in, and to go is like takeout. I understand.
Exactly. So you only need to remember three things: your order, the size, and for here or to go. And the barista will guide you through it step by step. You don't have to say everything at once.
That's good to know. Okay, I think I can do this. Let's go inside. Wow, there are so many things on the menu. I don't know what to choose.
Don't overthink it. I usually get a latte, coffee with a lot of milk. It's smooth, not too strong, perfect for beginners.
I like milk. Maybe I'll try that too. How do I say it?
Just say, "I'd like a small latte, please." That's it, the whole sentence.
I'd like a small latte, please. Okay, I'm ready.
Hi there. What can I get for you?
Hi. I'd like a small latte, please.
Perfect. Hot or iced?
Hot, please.
For here or to go?
For here, please.
Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
That'll be $4.50. Name for the order?
Ken.
Got it. Your latte will be ready in just a few minutes.
Ellie, I did it. I actually ordered in English. I can't believe it.
You did amazing. See? It was easy. And the barista smiled at you.
He did. I was so scared of making mistakes, but it was totally fine.
That's the thing, Ken. Baristas hear orders all day long. Even if your English isn't perfect, they understand you. The important thing is that you try.
By the way, what's the difference between a latte, a cappuccino, and an americano? I see those words everywhere.
Great question. A latte has lots of milk, mild, smooth taste. A cappuccino is similar but has more foam on top, soft, white bubbles. And an americano? That's espresso with hot water. It looks like regular coffee, but tastes stronger.
And espresso. I hear that word everywhere too.
Espresso is tiny but very strong. It comes in a small cup, about this big, but it's packed with flavor and caffeine.
And if someone doesn't want caffeine?
Then they order decaf. You just say, "I'd like a decaf latte." Same order, one extra word.
Let me practice one more time. Hi, I'd like a small latte, please. Hot. For here. No, that's all. Thank you.
Perfect. You remember everything. Next time, you can even try, "I'd like an iced latte, please." Just add one word.
I'd like an iced latte, please. Easy. Maybe next time I'll try a cappuccino.
Look at you, becoming a coffee expert. Little by little.
Little by little. I really believe that now. Today showed me trying is the first step. And that was Ken's first English order. Did you catch the answer to today's question? What drink did Ken order at the cafe? Write your answer in the comments. Even one word is perfect. Writing in English, even something short, is real practice. Every comment counts. If you enjoyed today's story, hit like and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. And I'll see you in the next video with another story, another real situation, and more English you can actually use. Bye for now.